I found a new niche that is going viral right now, and it can make you up to $10,000 per month. The niche I am talking about is the funny story niche. I found this channel with over 600,000 subscribers, and they are making these simple videos. The reason this niche is going viral right now is because everyone likes a funny story, if you know what I mean. They are taking funny stories and making it engaging by using engaging background footage. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you step by step how you can do it yourself. Social Blade is estimating that this channel is making $100,000 per month from 25 million YouTube Shorts views, which is impossible. YouTube Shorts pays an average of 6 cents per 1,000 views. So let's do the math. 25 million views divided by 1,000 views gives you 25,000 views. Now let's multiply that by $0.06 and you get around $1,500. So this channel made around $1,500 from 25 million views, which isn't that bad because of how easy it is to go viral with YouTube Shorts. If you stick with me for a few minutes, I am going to share a secret way you can make even more money with these types of videos. So head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write you a 60 seconds long funny story that is easy to understand in English. Now ChatGPT will write you a script for your video in seconds. Now we need a voiceover for our video. Go over to 11labs.io, which is a software that will generate high-quality voiceovers for you. Now choose any voice you like from the voice library. I am going to use the Adam voice, and paste the text you copied from ChatGPT into 11 Labs. Then click Generate. Now we need some entertaining background videos. Head over to YouTube and search for satisfying videos. Filter it by Creative Commons so that you don't get copyrighted. Now browse through all of these videos and select one you like. Copy the link of the video and head over to any YouTube video downloader. Paste your link into the software and click Download. Now that we have everything we need to create the video, we want to go over to any video editing software. I am going to use CapCut Mobile because it is way simpler for beginners. Add your video to the timeline you got from YouTube. Now add the voiceover you created using 11 Labs. Now we want to add captions to the video. Go over to the Auto Captions tool and select any of these templates if you want to. Now you can play around with the font of the captions and try to make the captions stand out to grab the viewer's attention. You can also give your captions some animation, which I recommend you do. Congratulations on your first video.
We're so happy you stuck around till the end of the video. Your support really means a lot to us. Thank you for spending your time with us and being a part of our community. We can't wait to see you in the next one.